Hey there, radicals! Welcome back to another exciting culinary adventure on our journey to health and vitality. Today, we find ourselves in the tropical paradise of Taboga, Panama, at the renowned sun-fired House of Life, where we're about to embark on a mouth-watering journey with none other than the master of living foods, Dr. Aris LaTham. Let's get ready to tantalize our taste buds and nourish our bodies with Dr. Aris as he guides us through the art of making Ackee croquettes. Wait, before we dive into this delectable creation, comment raw if you want more raw vegan recipe videos. This will help me determine what videos you like watching. So remember to comment raw RAW if you want more raw vegan recipe videos. Let's get started with this mouth-watering recipe. Keep your eyes on the screen to see the ingredients and the instructions and directions on how to make Ackee croquettes or croquettes.
Bring the food processor, bring the food processor over here. With the hot butter, cut the hot butter into small pieces.
Cut up the thyme or just take out the leaves? Which one? Cut it up?
Cut the thyme up. So 3 cups of
And the de-seeded pepper, scotch pepper.
and you're gonna grind it. This is half a pound of peanuts soaked for 12 hours. Push through. Go ahead, push it through. Push it through so it doesn't snap out. Once you get a few in there, we'll stop. You want to come back. Try to continue. Just keep all the way. Put your touch the bottom. Lo más pequeño. And drop it there. This is 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. You get the ice out. So.
And mixed chopped tomatoes. Now we're adding Ackee. Now we're chopping the Ackee, and I say we because I'm helping.
To video.
Now we're adding Ackee.
4 cups. But we go an extreme. 2 cups will be fine. Use a knife. And spread it out. Sprinkle it around so you don't handle it too much. Yeah, since we Ackee lovers in the house, we go extreme Ackee. And these are Ackee croquettes, so they could be eaten in small
Croquettes.
pieces. You don't have to really have them as big burger meats, you know. These are like hors d'oeuvres. They're the finger food at your next party.
Okay.
Get your opinion on the cake.
So
Yeah, just
fold.
no press, no pressure on it. You just want to mix the ackee in without crushing it. We're trying to
mix
not
without
crush the
crush.
ackee. Just mix it in. Just mix it in. Don't crush it. Light hand.
So mix without crushing, light-handed.
So, and this is how you're gonna serve them at your next party.
Okay. Next brunch.
Sunday brunch. Our brunch. Just give them a little room so you can press them down a little
You're
bit.
doing it between the X's again?
Excuse me?
You're doing it between the X's?
I'm sorry?
Between the
Between the
X's.
X's.
Well, it's gonna be more than the exit. Look, do it like this. The X's only hold 4. We're gonna hold about 6. You just space them equally apart to hold 6 of these small ones, and enough space so when you press them down, they just barely touch each other. You have to press it. So press it right. Make it tight.
Tight.
But don't pop no more. It's over pocket. So you don't want it bumped. You don't want a lump. So you want to,
Scrape it.
yeah, you see you want it
Press.
Alright.
Alright.
Your time now, Kelly.
Press.
Scrape it off.
That's good, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Alright, so we're going 5 across. Alright.
Once you fill out the tray, you can then add it to the dehydrator. We took them out of the dehydrator the next day, and this is what they looked like. If you're an Ackee lover, then you'll definitely love these Ackee croquettes. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make use of the links in the description section. Yeah man, some links are there, whether it is you want to sign up for the next 21 days raw challenge, or you want to buy my 21 days raw planner, or you want to get some stuff from my Raw Boss Amazon store. Just check out the links in the description section. Thank you, Raw Fam, for your support, and see you in another video. Raw love.